control systems, negative feedback and positive feedback. These mechanisms are crucial in maintaining homeostasis and regulating various physiological processes in the body. Negative feedback. Definition. Negative feedback occurs when the response to a stimulus opposes or removes the original signal. This mechanism helps to stabilize the variable being regulated. Examples: ACTH secretion. The secretion of adrenocorticotropic hormone is regulated by negative feedback. High levels of cortisol inhibit the release of ACTH from the pituitary gland. Aldosterone-potassium. Aldosterone regulates potassium levels in the blood. High potassium levels stimulate aldosterone release, which then helps to excrete potassium, reducing its levels. Glucose regulation. Insulin and glucagon work in a negative feedback loop to maintain blood glucose levels. High glucose levels trigger insulin release, which lowers glucose levels. Growth hormone secretion. Growth hormone release is inhibited by high levels of growth hormone or insulin-like growth factors. Blood pressure regulation. Baroreceptors detect changes in blood pressure and trigger responses to normalize it. Positive feedback. Definition. Positive feedback occurs when the response to a stimulus reinforces the original signal, leading to an amplification of the effect. This can create a vicious cycle until a specific endpoint is reached. Examples: clotting. When a blood vessel is damaged, the clotting process is initiated. The initial clotting factors activate more clotting factors, leading to rapid clot formation. Calcium entry into sarcoplasmic reticulum. In muscle cells, calcium release triggers further calcium release, enhancing muscle contraction. LH surge during ovulation. The surge in luteinizing hormone, LH, is a positive feedback mechanism that leads to ovulation. Action potential, Hodgkin's cycle. During the generation of an action potential in neurons, the opening of sodium channels leads to further depolarization, which opens more sodium channels. Parturition, Ferguson reflex during childbirth. The release of oxytocin stimulates uterine contractions, which in turn cause more oxytocin release, intensifying contractions. Shock. In certain types of shock, positive feedback loops can exacerbate the condition, leading to a rapid decline in physiological function. Understanding these feedback mechanisms is essential for comprehending how the body maintains balance and responds to various stimuli. Negative feedback is more common and helps maintain stability, while positive feedback is typically involved in processes that need to be rapidly amplified to reach a specific outcome.